Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Robin Codes. So this is our new PHP and MySQL project, which is Advanced Vehicle Parking Management System. This system contains 4 panels, which is Admin Panel, Parking Stations Panel, Users Panel and Police Panel. In this video we will discuss the Admin Panel only and we'll see what kind of permissions and functionalities we've added in the Admin Panel. So let's continue to log in the Admin Panel dashboard. This is our Admin Panel dashboard. In the Admin dashboard, admin have a multi-widgets to have a quick look to the system. Admin can view the today's sales, orders, parking spaces, how much online bookings received, parking stations, types of vehicles, and for location they have cities and states to check at how many location we're available, and also admin can view the employees and users. After that, admin have a list of all the parking stations they have added in the system with all the details. For example, parking station name, address, open and close label according to the parking station timings, parking security features, and after that vehicle types will show what types of vehicles are allowed in that parking station. When clicking on the View Charges list, it will display the types of vehicles allowed in that parking area along with their hourly rates. When we click the Book Now button, the booking modal will appear, where we'll need to fill out the booking form with details such as the vehicle number, select the vehicle type and company, and specify the parking date and time. We'll cover the functionalities of that form in the User Panel video. For now we will move forward. Next, we have the option to add new parking spaces and manage them. Here, we can add more spaces and manage them based on their specific needs. Here we can add new vehicle types and vehicle icons, and also we can update the name and icon of any vehicle. Here we can add new users and employee accounts. This is list of all account with all details like name, account type, email, phone, etc. Next we have cities and states option where we can add new cities and states. Let's add a new city, Chandigarh, linked with the Haryana state. Okay, so we've added a new city, Chandigarh. Now we will add a new parking space at this location. Here admin have to fill the complete form while adding the new parking space. We have to enter all the details like parking station name and address. After that we've to choose the city and state of the parking station. Now we have to choose the parking station opening and closing timings. These are the important values because it will show parking availability and allow the users to book parking slots only if the parking is open. Now we've to select the security facilities we have available in our parking stations. For example, CCTV cameras, security guard, gates protection, light facilities. After that we have to select option to show the users that this parking station have covered parking or not. Now we have to upload the parking station thumbnail. Now, the admin needs to add the parking station's customer service name or phone number so users can make inquiries. Okay, so our new parking stations has been added in the system. You can see that our newly added parking station is now available in the list. As we have entered the timings of parking station is from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Now it's showing us closing as current time is above the closing time. As you can see, it's not showing the vehicle types allowed in our newly added parking station. This is because we haven't added any vehicles or vehicle spaces yet. Let's move to the Manage Parking page to add the vehicles. This is the Manage Parking page where we have multiple functionalities to manage the parkings. When we click here, it will show us three options, which is Edit, Manage Spaces, or Manage Employees. This is the Edit page where we can update any information related to parking stations. For testing, let's make some changes in the parking name. Now our parking name is updated to Elanti Mall Parking. Now let's move to the Manage Spaces option to add the vehicles and spaces in this parking station. Here, we need to select the vehicle type, specify the available slots for that vehicle, and then add the hourly parking charges for that vehicle. As you can see, the vehicle we added, a car, is now displayed in our parking station. Let's add more vehicles. Now let's add a SUV vehicle. Now we have three vehicle types in our parking station. Okay, now that vehicles have been added to the parking station, we need to add employees to manage the parking stations. First, we need to create a new employee account, and then we can assign them to the parking stations. Okay, so our new account has been created. Initially, it will be registered as a user account, but when we assign this user to a parking station, their account will automatically be upgraded to a parking station employee account. As you can see, it's a user account and doesn't have any parking station features. Let's assign this user to our parking station. Now, our user account has been upgraded to an employee account since we assigned the user as an employee of the parking station. Now user is available in parking employees list. Now when we refresh the page, then it will upgrade this user dashboard to parking station dashboard. As you can see, the account is now upgraded to parking station employee account. When we remove the employee from the parking station, their account will revert to a regular user account. When we again refresh the page, it will change the employee account to user account dashboard. When we assign the user to another parking station, their account will become an employee account for that station, and they will have access to all the data for that parking station. Now this account is become an employee of / parking station. Now when we again refresh the page, then it will assign this user to that parking station. As you can see, this account now has access to all the data of that parking station. When we remove this account from / parking station and then add it to Alanti parking station, the account will be updated to reflect the data and access of the Alanti parking station. As you can see, we can assign the same user to multiple parking stations, but each user account can only be assigned to one parking station at a time. So, this is the admin panel of our vehicle parking management system. If you think we should add more functionalities, please let us know in the comment section. In the next video, we'll discuss the user or parking station panel. Thank you for watching, and please share your feedback in the comments.